Oh, what's happened there? Yes, family tree. Brown biker, we're outside again. And today we got a special one, man. We're doing a bike meet. Hold on, is that my barber? Leroy, that. Yo, Leroy, what are you saying? What are you saying, brother? Well on. You know he's who, you know. Yeah, man, come on, man. What are you saying, though? Why, sir? You know what? I'm gonna have to come to you for a trim one of the days, you know. I normally trim my own hair, man, but I'm gonna come in and... Brother, listen, manners, man, manners. But yeah, man, anybody who wanna get them ear trim, Universal Barbers, my G. What are you saying? You're gonna get a bike and forward? You're gonna get a bike and forward? Nah, man, they're good, man. Got your hair cut on this strip here. Universal Barbers. It's further up there. He's a bad boy barber still. Follow him. Come on, man. Any moment now we're supposed to see a blacked out R6, man. Like, go on. Where him there?
A few moments later.
See him, yeah? I am this. Alright then. Yes, man. Come on, man. Alright, so we're cooking. Yeah, that sounds nasty. We can go in this lane then. Alright then, the man them is outside. Oh, that sounds stupid, man. That sounds like a T-Rex, blood. What? That sounds like a T-Rex. That sounds bad. Yes, brother. Hi. Is it?
Yeah.
Come on. Outside. Power nizzle. Oh, what's happened there? We outside, okay, mate. There's only a few of us still, but this is just enough to have some fun. Where we going? Where we going? So lovely to see all these bikes out of the road. My man is just dead, no hands. Sick.